Good morning. Let's see, if I did the math correct, there are only 6 days left, including today. 6 days. Well, I guess 5 days would be more. Yes, 5. If I can read that correctly. Well, it's been an interesting bit. Hasn't been a very fun bit for some of us. But I guess that comes with not having, fun things planned for every day. I'm not exactly a go out and do things by yourself kind of guy. And even if I was, it'd be movies, bowling, stuff I like to do. But today, I'm going to show the bus system to Dakota and don't know what else. Holy snap! So, if you guys remember in the backgrounds, because I never actually showed it to you right on the bat, the construction that was going on. Last time I saw this, it was just the I-beam skeleton. But look what they actually accomplished over summer. It's amazing. Construction workers doing their job in a decent amount of time. Crazy. Unheard of. Is it the end of the world? Man. After the busy day yesterday, today just started and then ended. I really wish, though, I had been able to go with Sam to the party tonight. Because according to her, she was in a cute little cocktail dress. I have never, ever, ever seen her in a cocktail dress. So, at least she swore to wear it at our next date out. I doubt she'll remember. I have work in the morning, so I gotta get to sleep. Tomorrow's a nice full day, so the camera needs to rest up. So good night, everybody.